Welcome to AppsUnify. This video explains the AppsUnify app development process. AppsUnify is a leading developer of innovative mobile solutions, with delivery capabilities on all mobile platforms. With applications covering most industries and utilizing devices from all major manufacturers. AppsUnify is known for its unique mobile engineering talent, diversity of human capital, robust project execution abilities, and 4 development centers with an active presence in most of the technology hubs globally. Apps that we have developed can be resident-based to capitalize on all the unique characteristics of the mobile devices. Some may have functional capabilities shared between the handheld and web backend systems, while others are developed as cloud systems that facilitate global access. Most of the enterprise-grade mobile solutions we have developed are a combination of resident apps and cloud-based solutions, giving users greater flexibility in transaction processing. As a direct result of its unique talent in apps engineering, AppsUnify is frequently engaged by specialty device manufacturers that deliver combined hardware and software mobile solutions targeting implementations such as meter reading, electronic sensors, vehicle telemetry, Internet of Things, medical monitoring, personal health tracking, and numerous others. Our unique talent significantly differentiates us from companies that can only develop routine enterprise-grade Android and iOS systems. It is for these reasons we are the preferred provider of mobile engineering services to businesses operating in industries such as oil and gas, telemedicine, telemetry, GPS tracking, logistics and distribution, property management, agriculture and land management, radiology and cancer treatment, promotion and event management, manufacturing and process control, stadium and arenas, GIS and geospatial, camps and internship, real estate, public safety, auto dealership, heavy equipment, and numerous others. Clients are able to engage AppsUnify following several flexible contractual models. Projects can be engaged as single one-time work orders based on a mutual estimate established between the client and AppsUnify. Complex enterprise-grade mobile systems are developed observing full life-cycle project execution with phases for estimation, planning, analysis, design, prototype, coding, testing, user acceptance, delivery, and implementation. For clients that demand continuous development services, AppsUnify allocates specific mobile engineers to work as full-time employee equivalents reporting directly to the client's technology managers, with oversight provided by AppsUnify project managers. Allocated engineers generally operate in the same time zones as the respective clients that they serve, and are easily reachable by directly contacting any of our global offices. Progress meetings can be conducted on demand, or can be scheduled daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or as frequently as the client demands, with collaboration performed as online audio and video conferences, and online chatting. Competitive pricing is a key business practice enforced by AppsUnify. This ensures that the billing rates clients incur for apps engineers, analysts, designers, coders, testers, and project managers are among the best rates offered in the industry. Although AppsUnify is driven to provide very competitive pricing, the quality of our engineering and implementation capabilities is never compromised. We achieve competitive pricing and maintain high quality through the rigid enforcement of best practices in software engineering and the vigilant monitoring of project management activities. To learn more about our app development process, please contact any of our global offices, or reach us directly at 202-747-3443, extension 202. You can also send us an email to info@appsunify.com, or chat with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.